What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, y'all already know how I do it, man. I get straight to it, but first, like always, I ask you guys to like, comment, subscribe, man, and send this video or other videos that you see on this channel to anybody that you know that can benefit from these videos. All right, this is one of the only channels where you can literally close your eyes, scroll, click on any video, and it's guaranteed to give you some type of game. All right, even if you're already familiar with the subject, it's guaranteed to just give you guys some game. All right, and that's my goal here. Help you guys out no matter what. I don't care if we're in a good financial status. I don't care if we're in a bad financial status, quote unquote. It's all to move forward. Every day that you wake up, it's a new opportunity. It's all about what you're going to do with it. Not who you're going to blame, what you're going to do with it. All right, so check this out. Today, I want to talk to you guys about credit cleaning, and I also want to give you guys a primary to help build your credit, okay? Now, with credit cleaning and with this primary, the reason that I always give you guys credit cleaning tips and primary tips is because it's very important that you understand, and I understand that it could be discouraging, but it's very important that you understand that you cannot have any negatives on your credit report and think that you're about to go get funded, okay? Or think that you're about to go get anything that you think that you're about to go get, all right? If you got this, you eye on this card and it's $10,000, it's $15,000, $20,000, okay? And you have a negative and it's been recent within the last year, especially, you can forget about it, okay? The whole reason that the credit bureaus are gonna put things on your credit is because they're gonna take your information that you did not give them to use for somebody to delegate your mode of living, okay? Guys, that is not okay. We are used to living in those conditions, but that is not normal, okay? It's not normal at all, and it's honestly aggravated identity theft. So that's why I want to talk to you guys today as far as credit cleaning, but credit building is another separate thing. Now, I know a lot of you guys will say, oh, I have a 760 credit score. That's perfectly fine, but a 760 credit score doesn't tell me what's behind your credit score. That just could tell me that you just got one thing on there, though. You just have two things on there that you've been paying for a year and a half. Okay, so it's really not telling you the story. The score is one thing. What's on the back end is a completely different story. All right, and if you don't understand those things, you need to watch a lot of videos, a lot of my content, or you need to get a mentor or somebody that can actually help you. All right, it's easier to get from point A to point B when you got a GPS rather than if you're trying to, you just in the car and you just like, oh, la, 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 trying to figure it out. Okay, now I understand that you probably do watch a lot of videos, but everybody's saying the same things. And honestly, a lot of videos I watch, I don't even agree with what they're saying. All right, I'm like, they don't know what the hell they're talking about, and it shows. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Okay, and always remember, I'm not looking to just inform you. Okay, I'm also looking to transform you. So with credit cleaning, I want to talk to you guys today about how you can easily get things off your credit report extremely fast. I'm talking 15 to 45 days. There's multiple ways that you can do it. You can do the full, step-by-step, like you send your update information form, all that good stuff, send your letter, and then you can get them on aggravated identity theft, because why do they have information about you and they're sending your information to somebody else, determining your mode of living? That's completely illegal. Just because I have a higher 3-digit number than you, that doesn't mean that you can give me $15,000 and you can get $4,000, okay? That is completely unfair, all right? And until you learn to the rules of the game, you're just gonna continuously be treated unfairly, and most people around you are being treated unfairly as well, so ain't nobody gonna say nothing, right? So you have to understand that. But a very important factor is, with this data breach from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, it is so easy to get things off of your credit right now, okay? So please take advantage of this, especially before the holidays coming up, because I cannot tell you how easy it is or how motivating it is or how fun it is when the holidays are coming up and you have clean credit, you got business credit cards, you got personal credit cards, you got money in your pocket, you good, you can spend on Christmas, you ain't gotta, I got a budget for this, or I gotta take January off. Guys, we ain't finna keep doing the same thing and expecting different results. All right, just to make people happy that don't even care about you. Like in 2 days, you gonna be the bad guy. You know how it go. So lock in, focus on what's important, and always make sure you are the most important in your life, because if you ain't right, ain't nobody else around you gonna be right. As long as you right, everything else around you gonna flourish. All right. So understand that key thing about credit cleaning, man. If you need the documents to actually clean your credit, I have every single document that you need. Also, if you need me to actually clean your credit for you, you can sign up or register to my credit cleaning portal. It's easy, it's quick, it's fast, it's efficient, all of that stuff, okay? Now, off of the credit cleaning, because I have 40 videos about credit cleaning on this channel, not much about the actual data breaches because it's like a moment type of thing, but I think you guys already understand and know, like once you send your letters and all that good stuff, you can get things off your credit fast, especially using aggravated identity theft due to the fact that they're not supposed to have your information. I don't care what anyone tells you, okay? If you sign up for a credit card at Capital One, okay, it is illegal for them to send that information to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. You never gave consent to doing that. And that's why it's important not to do things online as far as disputing and stuff like that, because once you check those boxes, you're giving away a lot of your rights. You're giving them the okay to share that information publicly. It's not okay. All right. That's why you have to do things in writing. That's why everything needs to be tracked. You have to understand the game so that you can reverse engineer it. Okay. Now with credit building, I'm going to show you guys a place that you can go to actually give you $1,000 or $1,500 visa. It just depends on kind of where you are in your credit journey, but it's called Cred.ai. Okay. Cred.ai is another positive account that you can put on your actual profile or on your, your credit report or your consumer report or however you want to call it. All right. I talk about so many different things. Sometimes I get confused, but it's really your consumer report. But for this sake of the video, we'll call it a credit report, okay? You can put that on your credit report and it will just constantly build more and more and more and more and more primaries, all right? If you look on this channel, there are a lot of different other primaries that you can, I probably talked about like 10 of them already, that you can put and have on your personal credit. You have to do a little searching, you have to do a little digging, but I always want you guys to keep that strong, because as long as you got a strong personal credit, meaning continuously adding positives, continuously paying those, or not having much of a balance to pay forward, just keeping things in good standing, because the more total accounts you have, the better, and the longer the history, the better as well. So if you add stuff with understanding that in your mind in the future, the greater good is coming, guess what? You will thank yourself of what you did then in that present time, but it will be in the future, okay? Understand that. The hard things you do for yourself in the future. The monetary small things you do yourself for now, but your future self don't ever thank you for that. So make sure that you're putting your best foot forward. Make sure that you're operating the best way for your family, and make sure that you're happy, and make sure that you have everything that you need for you and your family to succeed, guys. All right. It's just as easy as just putting the work in. You can have all of the information. You can have all of the tools. You can have all that stuff. But if you don't utilize it, it doesn't matter. All right. I talked to a lot of you guys on the phone. I know right off the bat, most of you ain't going to do nothing. All right. Now, when we doing the business thing, or we doing this now, of course, if I'm doing credit cleaning, like, you good to go. You can just kick your feet up, sit back and relax. But for my DIY people, or for my people who's just, with my business package or this and that, guys, like 30% of y'all, like, it's just like, you have to put in the work. Like, yes, you're excited. Yes, you see the vision. Yes, you see the future and how you can do this, you can do that, you can do that. But guess what? Do not be so excited that you don't put in the work. Because what happens is, once that enthusiasm go down, real life hits. And once real life hits, guess what? Now you got excuses. This is that, that is this, all that. Listen, lock in, stay focused. Do what you need to do, guys. All right? Drop them comments below. As always, Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video. I'm out.